Welcome back. In this video, we're going to start focusing on the mission and vision of your organization, because this is really where Momentum Sprint really starts. Does your organization have an official mission and vision statement? If so, this exercise is quite easy. Use the yellow post-it that you find on the canvas here to write down what your official mission and vision statements are. But if your team doesn't find your official mission and vision very relatable, or if you don't have an official statement for mission and vision, then this is your opportunity for you and your team to first individually brainstorm what you think the mission and vision of the company should be. In order to help you, we have set up a small example and a sort of frame that you can use to articulate what the mission and visions are. After you individually brainstorm, through discussion, try to synthesize everyone's input in one statement that you're going to write in these yellow post-its, the mission on the left and the vision on the right. Just bear in mind that these statements don't need to be perfect. They just need to be inspiring enough and good enough for you to be guided through the rest of the workshop.